Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious Alfredo pasta using jar sauce. First, choose your favorite pasta shape. Fettuccine or penne work wonderfully. Next, bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil, adding about 1 tablespoon of salt for flavor. Cook your pasta according to the package directions, aiming for that perfect al dente texture. This ensures your pasta holds up beautifully with the creamy sauce. Now, let's prepare our creamy Alfredo sauce. Select a good quality jarred Alfredo sauce. This is key for a flavorful dish. Pour the entire jar of sauce into a medium saucepan. Gently heat the sauce over low to medium heat, stirring it frequently. This ensures the sauce warms evenly and prevents any scorching on the bottom of the pan, keeping it smooth and delicious. Once your pasta is cooked, drain it well, but remember to reserve about 1/2 cup of that starchy pasta water. Immediately add the hot, drained pasta directly into your warm Alfredo sauce. Gently toss everything together until every single piece of pasta is beautifully coated in the creamy sauce. If the sauce seems too thick, gradually add a little of the reserved pasta water to reach your preferred consistency. To finish your delicious Alfredo pasta, sprinkle a generous amount of freshly grated Parmesan cheese over the top. For a fresh, vibrant touch, garnish with some chopped fresh parsley or basil. Serve your creamy pasta immediately while it's warm to enjoy the best texture and flavor. For a heartier meal, you can easily add cooked protein like grilled chicken or sautéed shrimp. Enjoy your quick and easy homemade Alfredo.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.